Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now, let's start with the chemical properties of metal. So, let's start with the reactivity series. Already, you all have studied reactivity series, but here we will recapitulate it. So, what is reactivity series? The arrangement of metals in a vertical columns in the order of decreasing reactivity is called reactivity series of metals or activity series of metal. In reactivity series, the most reactive metals are placed at the top. You can see the most reactive metals are placed on the top, whereas the least reactive metals is placed at the bottom. So you can see in between copper and mercury there is the place of hydrogen. Okay. Now let's see the how the metal displays hydrogen from the water. Already we have seen in the previous video the reaction of metal with water, hot and cold water and steam. So here we will find out that how it happens that the metal displays hydrogen from the water. So the water is slightly ionized to give hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Now when the reactive metals combine with water, it gives electron to reduce hydrogen ion of water to hydrogen atom, which then forms hydrogen gas. The unreactive metals like copper do not give electron easily, so they are not able to reduce hydrogen ion of water to hydrogen gas. Hence, unreactive metals like copper do not give electron easily, so they are not able to reduce hydrogen ion of water to hydrogen gas. Now let's see the reactivity of metals with dilute acid. Here we will see the reactivity of metals with dilute hydrochloric acid. Metals usually displace hydrogen from dilute acid. Only the less reactive metals like copper, silver and gold do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids. When a metal reacts with dilute acid, then a metal salt and hydrogen gas are formed. So let's start with the reaction of sodium with the dilute hydrochloric acid. Sodium metal reacts vigorously with dilute hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride. You can see the sodium chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is evolved. So in this reaction, sodium metal is very reactive. In the next reaction, you can see magnesium reacts rapidly with dilute hydrochloric acid, forming magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. So you can see magnesium chloride is formed. So in the reaction of magnesium with dilute hydrochloric acid is less vigorous than that of sodium. So the magnesium is less reactive than sodium. With the aluminum, let's see. The aluminum metal is first reacts slowly with dilute hydrochloric acid due to the presence of tough protective covering of aluminum oxide on its surface. But when the thin outer oxides layer get dissolved in acid, then fresh aluminum metal is exposed, which reacts rapidly with dilute hydrochloric acid. So thus we can see the reaction of aluminum with hydrochloric acid to form aluminum chloride with hydrogen gas. Now let's see the reaction of zinc metal with the dilute hydrochloric acid. So zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to give zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. This reaction shows that the zinc is less reactive than aluminum. Then we can also see the reaction of iron reacting with the cold dilute hydrochloric acid to give hydrogen gas. The reaction is slow because it in the cold dilute hydrochloric acid it reacts very slowly. So this shows that the iron is less reactive than the zinc and its form iron second chloride. The oxidation state of iron is second here. Now let's see the next clip. Now the reaction of metals with dilute sulfuric acid. So we know that when the metal react with dilute sulfuric acid, it gives metal sulfate and hydrogen gas. So we can see metal sulfate and hydrogen gas is the product. Now let's see when the sodium react with dilute sulfuric acid, sodium sulfate is formed with the hydrogen gas. Magnesium react with dilute sulfuric acid, magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas is produced. And when aluminum react, in aluminum it is Al, it will be Al, the L will be small. With the dilute sulfuric acid, aluminum sulfate will be formed and hydrogen gas will evolve. Now let's see the reaction of metals with dilute nitric acid. When a metal reacts with dilute nitric acid, then hydrogen gas is not evolved. Just note that the hydrogen gas is not evolved. Okay. Now why it is so? So let's see the explanation part. Nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. You can see nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. So as soon as hydrogen gas is formed in the reaction between a metal and dilute nitric acid, the nitric acid oxidizes this hydrogen to water. So in the reactions of metal with dilute nitric acid, no hydrogen gas is evolved. Now when nitric acid oxidizes hydrogen to water, then nitric acid itself is reduced to any of the nitrogen oxide such as dinitrogen monoxide or N2O or dinitrogen monoxide, that is N2O, or nitrogen monoxide NO or nitrogen dioxide NO2. So this type of oxides forms depends on the nature of metal, the temperature of the reaction and the concentration of nitric acid. Very dilute nitric acid, however, reacts with magnesium and manganese metal to evolve hydrogen gas. So you can see the reaction of the magnesium reacts with dilute nitric acid to give magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas, and manganese reacted with dilute nitric acid to give manganese nitrate and hydrogen gas. Here the oxidation state of magnesium and manganese is +2. Okay, so why this is reacting with this two? So the reason is this, because a very dilute nitric acid is a weak oxidizing agent which is not able to oxidize hydrogen to water. The reaction of manganese and magnesium is with the very dilute acid gives the following products. Now let's see about the copper. So what happened when the copper react with dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid? So copper when you react this metal with any of these of the acid, it will not show any reaction, it will not give any reaction because copper is less reactive. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid at all. So this shows that copper is even less reactive than the before discussed metals. So if you like the explanation, please sanitize, like, share, subscribe and stay home. Thank you children.